Hey guys, it's Dale with The Insurance. Today we're talking about an article, a quick read, but many of us, especially those who have kind of moved from state to state or maybe traveled within kind of North America, have obviously dealt with this and have thought about it every time that we made a move out of state or traveled and was driving within another country. But the title of the article is, will your car insurance cover you out of state, right? Nothing, pretty straightforward. So the article is a quick read, good information though. The biggest nugget is kind of towards the end. Another nugget is peripherally related, is that if you go to the north, to Canada, car insurance typically works. Most insurance companies still cover you in Canada. You go to the south of North America and Mexico, car insurance does not cover you. So if you are taking a trip to Mexico and driving, make sure you have proper coverage, either with the company in which you're renting the vehicle, or you actively go out and get kind of Mexican car insurance. Or you make sure that you're covered in some other way, right? Either perhaps an endorsement onto your policy, or maybe your credit card company. But make sure you have kind of in writing coverage for driving within kind of south of the border, so in Mexico. But answer to your question is typically yes. Well, not typically yes. Yes, your car insurance does cover you when you move from state to state. There are caveats to kind of hone in on. One being the coverage limits are different in each state, right? And regulations differ slightly, right? Some require underinsured motorist coverage. Some may require PIP coverage, where other states do not. If these are the case, like if let's say the coverage limits are higher than what you carry on your auto insurance within a state that you're driving to, right? Sometimes your insurance carrier will just increase the limits on your policy for the duration of you driving within that state. They know it's not normal. They know that you don't go there all the time. Most of your driving is in your home state, so they raise the limits. If you are worried about that, obviously call your insurance carrier to confirm, because it's not kind of something written in concrete, right? So like that varies from carrier to carrier, but it does happen often. The largest nugget is when you move to another state. And obviously there are national carriers, even regional carriers obviously cover clients and cars in multiple states. So your carrier could very well cover cars within the state you're moving to. But that's either way, you'll still need to get a new policy, right? Because the regulations and laws surrounding insurance vary from state to state. So when you move to a different state, your carrier will cancel that policy. And if they are, obviously, if they're present in your new state, then they'll issue a new policy under those new laws and regulations of said state, right? So make sure that, hey, listen, don't just assume because you're with a national carrier, you move out of state, you don't have to notify your insurance company. You certainly do, because the old policy or the policy you currently have before moving will be canceled and you'll need to be issued a new one. Obviously, the rates will be different because you're in a different neighborhood. There are different risks. Is your car parked in a garage? Is it on the street? What's the theft ratio in that neighborhood? What's the crime ratio of that neighborhood? So there are a lot of things that will be taken into account. So your rate will be different, but you'll be properly covered, right? So that's the largest nugget from this article, something that's not intuitive because, hey, it's a national carrier. You cover people everywhere. Why does it matter if I move from state to state? But yes, it matters. Your coverage, current coverage, will be canceled if you move to another state, and that same carrier will issue you a new policy. Okay? Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll chat next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.